Alright, it's been a couple days later. We did a couple things to the truck. We got new brakes and brake pads and rotors. We also switched out the overhead lighting to all LED. So at night it makes the interior super bright. We also got these floor pads, ones that are like fitted. Got them off eBay, so the fitting isn't that great, but they'll do the job. The back. That's pretty much all we've done since I last recorded. It's just super filthy now because it's been raining. But now we're gonna head over to the muffler shop and we're gonna get this thing a muffler delete. It has a, from what I'm seeing online, it has a 3.5 piping, but look at this ginormous muffler. A lot of restriction, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete the muffler, and then we'll see if it's too loud. I'll put a muffler to quiet it down. But yeah, let's head over to the muffler shop. I'll give you guys a before on a cold start, and then we can hear what it sounds like after. Alright, as you guys heard, muffler is deleted. Has a nice low rumble to it. We'll get a slight acceleration. Oh, it sounds good. No cars. Nice little rumble to it. Make some rev, do some rev. Oh yeah, sounds real good. Made it back home. There's that rumble. I'll show you where they welded on the pipe. Now we have that ginormous muffler on. Place it with 3-inch pipe, there to there. No hinges needed, nothing. Direct cut and swap. Super nice and grow. Let's give you guys some revs. Back with the Caddy. About to park kind of close to the driveway. We went ahead and replaced the LED bulbs in there. The old ones were all broken. They look like that. It sucks because I guess with all the heat they turned super fragile. And the casing ended up falling inside the headlight, but you can't really tell, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Replaced both of them. Both LEDs. So I'll show you what that looks like. So far we have key fob. So as you guys can see, the two top ones, they're now LED. And then the bottoms are still orange. So at least now both of them are working. Now we're gonna go ahead and change out this LED fog light down here. This is the old one that we have. And then this is the LED one that we have. So it's super simple to change them out. All we're gonna need is a 7mm. 7mm, pop out these two clips, fold this liner back, and it'll expose the back of this. So let me just hop in the truck, turn this wheel the other way so we have space to work with. And then, yeah. Let me actually try with the wheel like this. They are bigger tires and wheels, so I doubt it, but let's give it a shot. That, we have the 7mm taken off, two clips popped off. But like I expected, we don't have space. As you can see, if I wiggle you in there, there's a housing. But let's go ahead and turn the wheel the other way and then get the bulb replaced. One we're gonna be replacing is back there with the orange on it. So all we have to do is just twist and then the whole housing will come out. So let me see if I can get it on camera. Get my arm in there. Twist. Wiggle it out. Just like that, it's out. There we have it. And then we'll just simply unplug and replace it. Easy, just like so. Put the old one, new one. Now we just do the complete opposite. Get your whole arm in there. Line it up. Feed it in and twist. That it's in. All secured. Seal it back up. Push these little push clips back in. Same with this one. Done. Let me just throw on these two 7mm and we're done. Everything's all bolted up. Let's get you guys a start. It's not really a cold start, but nice rumble. Muffler delete. Doing the 6.2 liter justice. We're gonna go ahead and back it up a bit. Turn the steering wheel so we don't hit the truck. Just gonna reverse it a bit so you guys are able to see the headlights. So I'm gonna lower down this window before I get out. So I'm able to reach this little panel and then we'll show you what the headlights look like. All right. Show you what these lights look like. Outside parking lights. Now we'll kick on the fog lights. Oh, well, looks like they're not working. Turns out the key has to be on. There we go. All the lights LED now. LED there. That's way better. Good to go. Interior. Just got it a quick wipe down. Also grab some in and out. But comment down below. I do want to get an other radio for this. This has a stock unit. So comment down below what I should replace that with. Either get a double din or the Tesla style screen. And then I also want to get this TV replaced. Not sure if it works. I haven't really tried it out yet. But might get that replaced. But yeah, this will be it for a video. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace. New whip. Something light. Just bought it off some grandpa. Look at seat covers on the whole life. Brand new seats. 2007 with 93 original miles. All leather interior, power everything, sunroof. Clean everything clean, clean. Check it out.